JT had to go off on a TikToker, not specifically the TikToker that made the video, but someone who commented under the TikToker's video. So the TikToker was basically claiming that there is bleach in skincare products that these celebrities are using because their skin color, their skin tone is changing and they are starting to look gray.
I don't care what nobody say, y'all skincare got bleaching properties in it. You cannot convince me otherwise. And you're not going to tell me a good product does that, da da da. No. And if you want bleach skin, there's nothing wrong with that. Don't try to sit here and convince me that you're not bleaching your skin and the skincare products ain't got bleaching properties. I'm going to start, when y'all post y'all shit, I'm going to start reading them ingredients because something in there got to be bleach. Because why is y'all skin lightening? Why are y'all lightening? I can understand lightening areas that are dark or like, you know what I'm saying? You got more darker areas than, but y'all be a whole nother skin tone. Like you be washed out, babe. Like you look washed out. Like you losing your color. Like them products ain't doing you right. They're not doing you justice. You might think it is because you don't look like how you used to look, but you don't look good. Like you look gray. Like y'all be looking like grayish, like white, and then like you just look bleached. Put down. They be like, I can afford good products now, so it does different to your skin. Yeah, it's bleaching you, babe. You're affording high-end bleach disguised as skincare.
So JT did respond, but like I said, JT was not responding to the TikToker who made the video because the TikToker was just speaking in general and she wasn't just pointing fingers at one person. It was somebody who made the comment in the comment section and said Megan Thee Stallion, De'Ara, Jada, and even JT getting a little lighter. Someone else said, somebody said they starting to look like Vibes Cartel by Y'all Play All Day. So here's what JT had to say.
Y'all, I get on here and I'm dead ass about to ask the girls with the smileys, right? I know I'm pasting because I really done got mad. So, I get on here and I'm about to ask the girls with the smileys, like, hey, boo, you know, like, when y'all, because I feel like my smiley's about to fall out. So I'm about to say, hey, boo, what do you do to prevent the smiley from falling out? Before I can even get to my page to press plus or whatever, I see in somebody else comments saying I'm bleaching my skin. God damn. Do y'all ever talk about yourself on this app? Do y'all even care about y'all own self, or do y'all only care about people that's doing better than y'all? Like, stop talking about me. Unless it's about music. Jesus Christ. What the hell my skin got to do with you? You don't even know. You just want to talk about me. I said, ho, keep my name out your mouth. What's wrong with you? I don't wash my face with the you wash your face with. And that girl ain't even talking about me. And here you is calling a whole bunch of bad name in the comments. That girl ain't talking about us. She talking about y'all.
As you guys can see, JT obviously wasn't feeling them skin bleaching accusations, and I can understand her like, hey, if I'm not bleaching my skin, I'm not finna just let y'all say that I'm out here bleaching my skin when I'm not. But I would like to know you guys' thoughts and opinions on that. Moving on to the next topic, Ari Fletcher is facing a lot of backlash after she posted a video of her and Yoshon listening to a Boss Man D-Lo song, and instead of Yoshon not saying the profanity, the curse words in the song, he was saying every cuss word and he was flipping the bird.
That pissed me off. Look at me now. Bitch ain't money.
So of course, a lot of people called out Ari in the comment section. One person said, rather my son doing this than splits. And of course, they're shading Jada's son Loyal because they're always comparing both of their sons, Loyal and Yoshon. Someone else said, yeah, my son is going to be a nerd. This too much. No seatbelt cursing, pointing the middle finger up. It's too much. For y'all saying this, okay, take a second and watch Adolescence. Hopefully I said that right. Stop exposing your kids to stuff like this. Let them be kids. Not appropriate for his age. Absolutely not. My kids and I be vibing to inappropriate music, but they know better to not recite any bad language, just vibe and dance. Someone else said, is y'all in these comments saying, oh, this what y'all want to see Loyal doing? Are y'all okay? This boy cursing, shooting birds, and knows exactly what the words mean. Y'all scaring me. Someone else then said, this little boy is too grown and it's not cute, but everybody got so much to say about Loyal who's just being a kid. And then this person said, I mean, y'all look who it is. Why are we surprised, LOL? It's not worth the energy it takes to be outraged. I'd be more shocked if this wasn't the case and no seatbelt in sight. He gonna be in trouble. Well, he gonna be trouble. I mean, at the end of the day, people are gonna raise their kids how they want to raise their kids. Is it right? No, but if you're going to do that, you shouldn't post it on social media for the world to see so everybody can have something to say about it. But like I said, we all know it's not right because he's going to grow up and probably be a certain type of way. Hopefully not. But you shouldn't want the world to see that so they can speak on it because like I said, at the end of the day, every parent is going to raise their kid how they want to. And obviously, she has no problem with her child doing that. But at the end of the day, you should not post everything on social media. But I would like to know you guys' thoughts and opinions on these topics down in the comment section below. Make sure you guys like, share, subscribe, hit the notification bell, and I will talk to you guys in the next video.